Accredited na ba ang iyong CPD units nung nakaraang inset? Today, I am going to show you how you are going to sign up para makita mo at ma-monitor mo kung nakapasok na ba ang mga CPD units nung mga nakaraang seminar natin. Let's begin by opening your browser and type this URL.
What your class should be, it's class TV.
You can use your DepEd email and click sign up if it is your first time. Go over the security policy and click your choice regarding your data. Next is fill in the required personal information in each box. Please be reminded that your information here should coincide with the information you provided in your PRC account. Again, fill in the required boxes. Kahit hindi mo na isama yung mga boxes na optional lang naman. Para naman doon sa source, I clicked CPD Division Orientation. Then we click the next button dito sa baba. Enter your preferred email address and of course your preferred password. Click next and review your information. Then submit application and click proceed. After you click OK, you will be redirected to the very first page where you are going to enter your email and then your password and log in. You will be asked to answer a very short survey. Answer and click submit. You might go over data policy thing again. Just bear with it. Click the necessary button. Now let's go to menu and click services. For us teachers, we are going to click the professional tab. Now you are going to enter your email and password. And ta-da! I can see I have 27 CPD units and I can see which they are from. Of course, log out when you're done. Now, if you think that my content is very helpful, please follow for more.